Hi and welcome. Today, we are going to tackle a feature that can save you a massive amount of time and keep your projects on track, creating recurring tasks in Monday.com. If you have tasks that you do every day, week, or month, setting them up to appear automatically is a game changer. It means less manual work for you and less chance of forgetting something important. The key to this in Monday.com is using a feature called automations. It might sound complex, but it's actually very straightforward. Let's dive into how you can set this up in just a few clicks. First, navigate to the board where you want your recurring task to live. In the top right corner of your board, you'll see a button that looks like a little robot head and says Automate. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the Automation Center, which is the control panel for all your automatic workflows. Next, you need to choose the right template, or what Monday.com calls a recipe. The easiest way to find what you need is to use the search bar. Try typing recurring or every time period. You are looking for the recipe that says, every time period, create an item. Click on that one to get started. Now we configure the recipe, which has two parts, the trigger and the action. The trigger is the when. Click on the underlined every time period text. A menu will pop up allowing you to set the frequency. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. If you select weekly, you can then pick the specific day, like every Friday. You can also set the exact time of day you want the task to be created. Once the trigger is set, you need to configure the action, which is the what. Click on the Create an Item part of the recipe. This is where you define the task itself. First, give your item a name. This will be the name of your recurring task, for example, prepare weekly sales report. The real power comes next. You can click the plus icon to pre-fill other columns for the task. You can automatically assign it to a team member, set the status to to-do, and even set a dynamic due date, like 7 days after the task is created. After you have configured the task details exactly how you want them, simply click the blue Create Automation button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Your recurring task is now active and will be created automatically according to the schedule you defined. You can even create recurring sub-items by using a similar recipe. This helps you manage smaller steps within a larger recurring task. By automating these routine duties, you ensure consistency and free up valuable time to focus on more important work. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective productivity tips. We'll see you in the next one.